In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a full online course on Wix using Wix Online Programs. We'll start by adding the app to your site. In the Wix editor, open apps and go to the app market. In the search bar, type Wix Online Programs, then select Add to Site and confirm the permissions. Give it a moment. Wix will automatically create a set of course-related pages for you. A program list that acts like your course catalog, a dedicated program page for each course, a participation page where learners can track their progress, and a visitor access page for sign in or sign up. These give you a ready-made structure so you can focus on content and design. Next, customize those new pages to match your brand. In the editor, go to Pages and open each of the course pages. Swap in your own banner images, refine the titles and descriptions, and add a warm welcome message that sets expectations. Update colors, fonts, and your logo so everything feels consistent with your site. If sections feel busy, rearrange them or use the layout grid to keep spacing tidy and professional. A quick tip: keep text legible over banners by using high contrast colors or a subtle overlay. Now, let's manage the program and set up your course. In the left sidebar, click Apps, choose Wix Online Programs, then Manage Program. Click Get Started and pick how you want to build. Start with a template if you're new. Use AI for content prompts and structure ideas, or start from scratch if you want full control. Select a template that aligns with your topic, whether it's photography, business, or fitness, so your layout and lesson flow are a natural fit. After choosing a template, click Publish to make the course live. Don't worry, you can keep editing anytime. You'll land in the Online Programs editor, where you can add chapters and lessons and upload videos, documents, images, and PDFs. If your plan supports it, set up quizzes or simple assignments to check understanding. Also, review your access rules. For example, require users to be logged in to access the course, especially if it's paid or members only. Before you share your site, test everything. Use Preview to open the course page and log in as a test member. Confirm that all lessons load, enrollment, and payments work if you're offering paid access, and that progress tracking or completion badges display properly. It's a good idea to test on both desktop and mobile to ensure a smooth learner experience. That's it. You've built a complete online course on Wix with a polished design, clear progress tracking, and custom branding. If this was helpful, like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Wix and course